Hey yo guys, welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel, my name is woke up before my alarm. If you're new to the channel, my name is Ballo.trades and I document my journey to becoming a successful forex trader here on YouTube. So I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and smash that subscribe button and click on that notification bell to notify you guys when I'm dropping another video. So yeah man, I just woke up. Oh yeah, by the way guys, I started my second channel. It's called Ballo's Motivation. On that channel we'll be talking about deep things, like life, trading, just conversations, like 10-minute conversations, sharing my knowledge and my experiences in life, in trading and all that. So I'll leave the link in the description and make sure you subscribe guys, and be sure to follow my Instagram account. The link is also in the description. So yeah man, so just woke up right now, and I just woke up and picked up my camera. I'm like, let me start a series, series called Road to Getting Funded. Road to Getting Funded. So yeah man, today is a Monday, by the way. I just opened my free trial yesterday with the Funded Next Profit challenge. Just started. I think it's a 6K challenge account, free trial. So if I could pass that free trial, I'm getting a new challenge. So yeah man, as you saw in the last video, I said I'm starting all over. Like, I'm just want to gain my confidence back in the market. So if you haven't watched the previous video before this one, I recommend you guys to watch it. And yeah man, so like I said, I just woke up. It's 6:30 and I usually get on the charts by 8. So right now I'm thinking of going out for a jog. Well, I am going out for a jog. So yeah man, let's get to it. So guys, before I get further into the video, I just want to appreciate you guys for the messages from the last video. Just want to appreciate you guys for the messages from the last video. I really appreciate you guys. Yeah man, those were some touching words, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah man, we're here, we're back, and we keep going man. We don't stop. So yeah, the plans for today is, as I told you, I'll be trading the 6K free trial, right? So what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna I have created my trading plan, but then my trading plan and my trading rules. So but then I have to jot it down. I have to write it down on my Notion, because I only written it down on my notepad, on my physical notepad, and that was just a draft. So right now we're gonna type it out to make it, not type it out, but then to type it in to make it permanent. So yeah man, right now it's actually getting really late. I should be running at 7 and it's already like 10 to 7. So yeah man, see you guys in the next clip. Yes sir, we back now. We back. I'm so tired guys. I'm not gonna lie guys, running in the morning always does the trick. If you have time in the morning guys, go out for a jog. Go out just for a simple jog or walk. Over time you just gradually increase your pace. One thing I realized about jogging in the morning, or jogging in general, it improves like your general mood. For those of you guys who wake up angry, go for a jog guys. Some things are very simple to deal with. If you have stress, if you've got stress, or you think you're depressed, just go out for a jog instead of going out to counseling or going out for therapy. I mean, you could go for therapy, but then try jogging for like 2 weeks straight, consistency. You see, your general mood will increase. One of my friends asked me, like, they never saw me angry. I don't even remember the last time I was angry, even upset or like just down. Of course, sometimes I'm tired, like physically, I cannot do anything. But then I'm talking about a mental thing, like anger or just feeling emotional. It's been a while. You know why? Because I've been exercising frequently, guys. So you should try it out and tell me and tell me how it works out for you. So yeah, man, I just came back from a jog. So what time is it? So it's around 22 minutes past 7. So as I told you guys, I step on the charts at 8 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, we have plenty of time to kill. I need to take a bath. And yeah, man, since day one, Monday, you know, I'll post videos like this probably like 2 times a week, you know, like road to getting funded. I'll post videos like this 2 times a week, you know, just to show you guys the real side of trading. You know, one thing I've noticed this past 2 months, as you saw, I've not been doing content, so obviously I've been watching content. There's a lot of guys out there that teaches nothing, you know, like there are videos, guys, that are very misleading. I'm not gonna lie. If I was a beginner trader, I'd fall into that trick too. I'd fall into that trap. But then there's a lot of BS content out there about trading, guys. There's this kid, a 12-year-old kid on TikTok in South Africa. He was like, "Hey, guys, I just made 440k withdrawal." So, and what he said at the end, he was like, "Sign up if you wanna learn how to trade." The kid is 12 years old. You can't expect that 12-year-old kid to be your mentor. Doesn't make any sense, guys. He hasn't even been in high school. He hasn't even been in high school. That's so crazy. You know, there's a lot of BS content out there, guys, that you should watch out for, you know. Excuse for the way I'm talking right now because I'm tired. I'm balancing out breathing and talking at the same time, so it's a bit difficult. So yeah, watch out, guys. Out there's a lot of fake content. You know, there's a lot of BS. Just to put it plain and simple, there's a lot of BS. I'm not gonna lie, guys. So I'll be doing this content just to show you guys coming up the new beginner traders. Trading is not what it seems. Trading is actually hard, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I thought I was special. I thought I would make it in 6 months, you know. But yeah, man, we're still pushing. This year, at the end of the year, I'm going for 2 years trading consistently. So yeah, man, this is what we go through, guys. This is what we go through. Be sure to not watch the BS content, guys. You know, there's very few of us out there who are really showing the grind, who are really showing the real thing, you know. So yeah, guys, which leads me to my point of view, guys should you should subscribe to my other second channel, like I said in the morning, like I said in the previous clip. We'll be talking about life, we'll be talking about knowledge, we'll be talking about, you know, the struggles of trading, of life, everything in between, guys, you know. So be sure, guys, to subscribe. It's called Ballo's Motivation. You know, I just thought that I should share what I've been going through, you know, because that type of content that I'll be making will be like raw content, no cuts, no edits, not even no thumbnail, you know. And I cannot post that videos on this channel because I want this channel to be as professional as possible. So yeah, man, that's why I created a second channel, just for raw content, you know, speaking facts, just speaking from my mind, you know. So yeah, guys, be sure to subscribe. And I'm here, man. Right now I'm gonna take a bath and see you guys in the chat. Peace. Okay, guys, so I'm about to share what I'm looking at for today. So okay, let's start off with AUD NZD. So start off on a daily, right? Let me just remove the drawings real quick. So if you guys are new and wondering what strategy I trade the Falcon strategy, right? Okay, so we're on the daily, right? So as you can see, we had this wick right here, right? So the daily reacted from that wick. We came in passively the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Then today, Monday, as you can see by this candle, this is the daily candle, right? So I want to look for buys because we can see that even the 4-hour momentum is shaping up for buys. As you can see, we had this candle, that candle, and this candle is about to close in an hour and 30 minutes, right? So right here, I just want to look for simple continuations, to be honest. Simple continuations, something of this manner. Maybe like price leaves a hook point, right? Then goes up, then come back and reaches that hook point, right? And then we go up, right? Hook point here, and we have our structure leading into that hook point, as you can see. Then I take the buy into the break back in, take that buy to the upside, so that is what I'm looking at for AUD and ZD. Going into the second one. Okay, this one I think I'm gonna cancel, because right now when I'm looking at it, it's kind of risky. So as you can see here, we had this high above here, we had this high, right? We have this high, then that high, let me go to the 4 hour, that high left an inflection point, right? And we reacted from that inflection point. Let me just mark it out so you guys can see an inflection point. Okay, so we reacted from that inflection point, we really down. So what I'm looking for right now is just continuations, but bear in mind that on the daily we reacted from this one, as you can see here. So initially when you're looking at the daily high, when you're looking for price to react at the daily high, you want to see like impulsive movement, then a continuation, then impulsive movement. But okay, as you can see here, we had like kind of corrective price action, but then it's still impulsive, but then this is not the kind of impulse that I'm looking for, right? As you can see, it's very, yeah, it doesn't really have that momentum to it. Yeah, right? Then we left let's just call this a hook point, right? We left a hook point, then we reacted from that hook point very impulsively, as you can see. So right now I'm looking for something of this nature, then going down, probably on the 15 minute. Yeah, probably on the 15 minute. Then I'll take the buy. Then I'll take the sell over here. Yeah, so this is what I'm looking at for today on GBP CAD, but then GBP CAD is a bit tricky, so I'm not really focusing on it that much. So let's move on to the next pair. Next pair is NZD USD. So NZD USD, let's start on the 4 hour. So as you can see here on the 4 hour, this is what do you call it, multi time frame analysis, guys. So as you can see here, we reacted from this value area right here, right? But then how we reacted is important, right? As you can see, if price wanted to go down, it would have done so a long time ago without doing this, then going up, then doing this, right? So let's go into 4 hour for more clarification, for more clarity, I'm sorry. So we had this 2 touch, right? So right now I'm looking for price to go further up, because it's forming in continuation on a value area, right? So which tells me that they're not ready to go down as of yet, but then price can go down. We're just trying to anticipate the market, but we cannot tell where the market will really go. So down here we're having a double bottom according to my understanding. So what I want to see from here is a push back in, then the continuation, then go back up, because I'm correlating this with the DXY. The DXY is at this point, as you can see. This is what I want to see over here. So from this point on the DXY, this is a hook point, we might eventually come down. So when the DXY goes down, eventually NZDUSD will go up, right? So yeah, that is my thoughts on NZDUSD. Same thing with Euro USD. Same thing. Hook point, push back in, and a continuation, then you go further up, right? So let's go to another pair, the last pair. So this one I'm already excuse me, I'm already in the trade. So let me just, so as you can see here, guys, we had this hook point right here. We arrived at that hook point correctively, right? Structurally, no, not correctively. Correctively is when we have no structure, so it's like does like some crazy things. But then correctively, I mean structurally, is like something you could analyze on, you know what I'm saying, like something like this. So this is corrective, this is structured, right, according to the Falcon strategy. So we had this point, so I was waiting for a break back in, then a continuation. We got it on the this is the 15 minute, but then I missed an entry on the 5 minute because I was analyzing, right? I missed the entry over here. I could have gotten my entry over here. Let me just hide this one. Could have got the entry over here, would be running nicely, as you can see. But then it's fine, guys, it's fine, things happen. Like if you guys have noticed, I trade the same things. Whole point arrive structurally, as you can see, is going up, so yeah, man, right now I'm in this trade. So yeah, guys, I'll update you guys on the next clip. So I've shared my thoughts and what I'm looking at and my community. I created this community a long time ago. So
as you can see, I shared this running position I took, as you can see. So yeah, man, right now we're just waiting to see what the market has for us in store, you know. So yeah, man.
So it's been a few, like 2 or 3 hours now, 2.5 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, man, I was just cleaning the house, washing my laundry, and yeah, man, just eating. So right now I just want to check how the trade is doing. Okay, so let me just update you guys on how the pairs are developing. So starting off on AUD NZD, this one is still pushing up. As I told you, looking for a continuation. We'll see how this one forms. As you can see, we have our hook point, our first touch right here. It might end up going, to be honest, because we had this wick, but then it's not gonna hurt if I just wait. What I'm looking for right here is just a pullback to this area, and then probably go to the downside. Yeah, I mean, something like this, so that we could have that two touch at the top. Then yeah, but this is unlikely, this is not probable to happen. Yeah, so this one might end up just going, but then yeah, I might just wait to see how it develops. Then on GBP CAD, okay, so we're still pushing down, looking for continuation. You might see how this one develops, might have something like this. Then we go into the downside probably. So next pair is NZDUSD. So NZDUSD initially, like I said in the morning, I was expecting for a break back in, then a continuation, then to go to the upside, but we broke below this low right here. So I'm just looking for continuation just to confirm the trend. You know, when I trade, guys, I don't stick to a particular bias. You know, as the market changes, I need to adapt with it, you know, something like that. This is on the 5 minutes, so this won't take much time to develop. And on Euro USD, same thing. Just looking for proper setup, you know. This one might give me a two touch, but then we'll see. Then I'm in this trade, like I told you guys in the morning. So I'm in this trade, so I'm gonna just move my stop loss to break even on my MetaTrader. So yeah, man, I'll update you guys next time on the next clip. Guys, I just took a sell stop on AUD NZD. So let me show you what I'm seeing. So as you can see here, guys, we had this this area of value right here, right? We had this area of value and we tapped into it, and price gave us a wick, right? As you can see, that wick, price gave us a wick. Then I scrolled down to the 5 minute time frame to look for a continuation, and there we have the continuation right there. As you can see, the continuation right there. And what makes it valid is because it's not exceeding the 50% mark on my Fibonacci tool. As you could see, it's right on the dot, right? So I'm taking this sell. As you can see, it's a push, 1 2 3 touch structure. I'm just taking the break, going back to the trade that I took earlier. Still running, you know, still running. Let me just show you guys. Still running. I put my stop loss somewhere around here. Yeah, I put my stop loss somewhere around here, so that if price decides to turn back, I could be safe, you know. My stop loss is around there, and yeah, man. So this AUD NZD trade will be my second trade for the day.
which will be my last trade for the day. So yeah, man, I just took that. So as you can see, is pushing towards my entry point, and yeah, man, I'll update you guys once. Not once I'm in, because as you can see, I'm about to be tapped in. So I'll update you guys once I am like running in profit, or if price took me up. So yeah, man. And just like that, guys, that wraps up my trading day for today. So let me just go through today's market with you guys. So starting off with the trade that I took in the morning, as you can see, it went back to my stop loss where I moved it 1% in profit. As you can see, not gonna lie, I'm happy to take this one, but what I'm most happy about is that I was able to take a quality position like this, following my plan, following the strategy, something I was not able to do about a week or 2 weeks ago. What I'm happy about is that I was able to take a high quality trade. Everything just aligned, and I took it. So this was a 1%, 1 point something% profit, which I'm happy to take. 1% is better than no percent at all, or even it's better than drawdown. Going to the second trade that I took about hours earlier. So this one did me dirty, right? As you can see, it went to hit my stop loss, my TP, right? But here's the thing: as price moved 1% in profit, right, I moved my stop loss to break even. So it went up, right? It went down, then went back to my stop loss, which I had put to my break even. Then now it's flushing down, right? And again, I'm happy to take this position. So today we're sitting on a 1% profit.
So yeah, man, again, I'm happy to take those positions because they align with my plan. Like, everything is just one of those trades I dreamt about taking. Besides the outcome, I was able to execute the plan the way it is. No funky business, no funny business. So yeah, man, that wraps up my day for today. See you guys tomorrow if I film. So yeah, man. Yo guys, hope you guys are good. Today's Tuesday, right? So it's 8:30. This is the normal time I step on the chart. So yeah, man, let's not waste any further time and to get into it. So okay, so guys, I'm done analyzing now, and I'm about to show you what I'm looking at for today. I'm not gonna lie, the pairs for today are looking clean. I'm already in one trade. I'm already in a trade for today, right? So let's start off with AUD NZD. AUD NZD, I was looking for, as you can see, the price is pulling down, but then I was looking for an intentional break above this line, this horizontal line, right? Then look for an engulfing candle, then I'd buy this, then I'd sell this, excuse me. So as you can see, it seems to be catching traders early on the market. Hopefully it'll come back to this level, break it significantly, and go down. You know what I'm saying? So another pair I'm looking at is Euro GBP. Euro GBP is simple, I'm just looking for continuations. As you can see, overall we are in this continuation to hit this horizontal line, right? So I'm looking for continuation. Okay, this is not clean. Even I don't really trade in the 1 minute, but then yeah, this is not clean. So I'm gonna look for a cleaner setup on this very same pair, right? So what I could be assuming is something of this nature, right? So as you can see, price is correcting. It might impulse down, then eventually come back to that level and give us the continuation, right? So I'm waiting for that. Next pair, AUD CAD. So AUD CAD, I'm just waiting for the price to
arrive at my area of interest, which is this one. Okay, but I might have been late for this one, because we had this right here, this expanding pattern at this area of significance. But yeah, I think I'm gonna cancel this one because it's already gone and there's nothing I can do about it. Or it might actually come to this area right here because it's closest to this one. So I don't know, it might be catching traders on the wrong side of the market, then going up, but then we'll see. So what I'm looking for on this one is a break back in, not a continuation. I'm gonna take a risk entry, then taking this to the downside. So Euro AUD is the trade that I'm in right now. So this trade was very simple, right? As you know, Euro AUD is in confluence with GBP AUD, but then I don't have GBP AUD on my watch because GBP AUD and Euro AUD is the same thing. So it's like taking a trade on the same pair. It wouldn't make sense. So if I took a loss, I took a loss on both sides, So okay, so let me go to GBP AUD just to show you guys, what I'm saying. GBP AUD, same thing. It's also buying. You see, I'm not in this trade. I just and this one had more confluence. It's just that this one had less risk reward, what I'm saying. So initially I wanted to target the high, but the high was giving me like 1.5, so it wasn't good, So this one had confluence because we had this push, then correction to test the backside of this structure, So yeah, right now we're on this Euro AUD, and Euro AUD is also fine because, as you can see, we reacted from this inflection point right here, right? So if price wanted to go down, it would have done so impulsively. So as you can see, we are going down correctively. That is not how we want to go down. So I anticipated that, okay, we might be buying, right? So we had our first touch, second touch, and as you can see, price reacted from this override, gave us that impulsive candle, engulfing candle. Then yeah, man, it's on the 1 hour time frame, which is a weighted time frame, so I'm happy to be taking that trade. Yeah, so the next pair is okay. So this pair is very simple. It will be the trade similar to yesterday. So this one, there's a hook point below here, just waiting for price to come back here structurally, something like this, then go up, structured pattern like this. So yeah, man, that is what I'm looking for on these pairs. So guys, it's currently 25 minutes to 11, and yeah, man, we just got tapped into this trade. Yeah, man, we're running, yeah, it's not even 1%, but then yeah, man, I'll update you guys once something pops up. As you can see, guys, like I told you guys, AUD, Euro AUD, and GBP AUD are correlating pairs. Look at GBP AUD, right? Look at GBP AUD. It's also pushing up. I'm not in this trade, guys. Don't think I'm in this trade. No, I'm not. It's just because I don't like trading. Like I said, I don't like trading correlating pairs. But then yeah, man, I'll update you guys once something pops off. Okay, guys, so just a quick update. Looks like I've been tapped out on this trade. As you can see, it was rushing towards my stop loss. But yeah, man, everything was taken according to plan. And yeah, man, trades like this do happen. So a trade that I'm seeing is on Euro NZD, right? Is the one I'm preparing for. So as you can see, this was a trade similar to yesterday's trade. So what I want to see here is bullish momentum. As you can see, it's breaking. Then I want to see a break back in. Then I'm gonna take the buy, probably above the second candle. So something like this. Then target the high right there. So yeah, man, I'll update you guys on the next video, because I might just end the video here because I want to shoot in 2 days. So yeah, man, thanks for watching, guys. I'll update you guys on if I took this trade or not. And yeah, man, like, subscribe, comment down below, and guys, be sure to follow my second channel. The link is in the description. Yeah, man.